For all my AMS users out there, I have finally found the perfect Y. And here it is. The reason why this is superior is how far the Bowdens push in. So if we look here, look how far that goes in. So it makes a longer stretch in there, so if this gets bent a little bit, it's still making its path through. It is the first design I tested that worked flawlessly out of the gate, and I'm loving it. If you're interested in trying it out, it's the Smoothie PTFE Bowden Y Connector on printables.com 571143. There's even a model designed for an M6 thread or an M10 thread.